Hello guys, this is our first video on KT Coding. Welcome, this is going to be our first video. So in this video, we will teach you 3 courses on how to start coding. So anyways, let's go. Okay, so first thing, you just go to Google and just go to scratch.mit.edu, or you can just write Scratch, as you can see right here. Just write Scratch, like Google it, or just type the URL. So like you might wait for it to load a little bit. So like this is the first thing, like the first impressions you see on Scratch. Like you see you're a logged out screen. Like you see the featured projects. Like you see lots of things on Scratch, like featured studios, like all of that stuff. Okay, so first thing is that you get to join if you don't have if you don't have an account, you can just join Scratch and make up an account of yours. But if you have an account already, you can just join your account all you like. And then after you log in, this is my main account, just don't worry about it. After you log in, if you don't have an account, you might have to go to your email because you might receive a message from Scratch that you need to confirm your account. So you just go to Gmail and have to confirm your accounts. So this is the first course. So we get to go to create. Just wait until it loads. It'll load now. Just wait for a few. There it is loading. It's finally loading now. So you might get a URL that says, okay, so here you have, this is your first impressions you see on the website. So you see a Scratch Cat and the title you get to make up and see your projects, tutorials, debug, and those tutorials, yeah, you get them out. Because we don't need those tutorials in this channel. Because we already have a tutorial of our own, which is this channel right here. Okay. So you might see that first impressions in this Scratch website is that you get to you have a sprite already, and that you see costumes, which are technically positions for the sprite that they call it in Scratch language. Okay, at this point I'm like, okay, what is this? So we're just going to be like, what is that? What is this? There's too many blocks in here. How do I get to? What is this? Okay. If you ever heard of Tinker, it's technically the same thing, except that you just get to share your projects, and it works differently, just like in Turbo Warp. So you just go to Turbo Warp, which is definitely similar to Scratch. It's just not a Scratch website. So what we're going to learn here is first course, how to make a moving sprite. So just delete this thing. Then we get to go to events, as you can see here. Drag the first block when green flag clicked. Then go to X and Y right here. And you might see it does nothing still. It's still in its position. What is this? Okay, you might be questioning this thing. So when green flag clicked, go to X, Y. Well, what is the X and what is Y? So they're technically the axes where you go, this is X, and this is minus X, and this is Y, and this is minus Y. So I just like to teach it that way. So since we moved positions, X7, Y13, we click the green flag, and you might see it's back in this position. Woohoo! Great, right? And then you save your project. And then you share your project. And then you name it however you like. Positioning cat. Then you just write move the cat. Oh, no. Typo. Move the cat while once you are on the seat inside, which is this button right here. Side button. Drag the cat to wherever you want on the stage. Sorry, my bad. Typo. Then go back outside and click the green flag. And your cat is back on position. Okay, sorry, my bad for writing this much. And then you might think that I can just share this project, right? Well, that's not what we're doing here. Well, that's not what we're going to be doing here. So delete all of this, rename it to how it was. But if you want to share it, that's your choice. Delete this too. And delete all those blocks. Okay, so we now just have a normal cat. Now we need a moving cat, which is course 2. So we have when green flag clicked. Then later on, we go to change X. Well, as I told you earlier, X is okay, sorry. Well, let me bring it back to its position. Oh, wait. What's going on? Okay. I'm just bringing this back. So, this is a moving cat. So, let me bring it on full screen. Yeah, so this is X. Now, let me change this to -10. See, now, this is another easy way on how to position your cat. So, then we just rename it moving cat. Click the green flag. And then your cat moves. That's it. Okay, the last one was kind of long because I wrote too much. Now this is literally simple. So now we are going to the last course, which is a cat that moves by itself with arrow keys. Well, you might see that the getting started, add a sprite and all that, use arrow keys. We're not gonna use that though. We're not gonna use that. So we're just going to go with when green flag clicked, we go on control forever loop. If you know what is forever already, you can just tell that it's a loop. Sorry for slapping myself though. Anyways, forever. Okay, then we need an if block. If key space press. Well, no, we're not using space. We're using right arrow. Press then. Now, well, you can see here that it can only move the other way. Well, let's just bring it back to its position. Yeah, that is going to be the complete opposite, as you can see here. Then left, -10. But we're not gonna go this way. Ha! Not exactly, because this course is gonna be hugely hard. Believe me. Okay, so you might see that you see the direction, it rotates your thing, your sprite. But we're not going to use that. And we're not going to use this. We're going to use the second one, which is the middle one. So we go to point and direction 90. Then we put point and direction -90. So now let's see the results. Oh shoot. Forgot something. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh no. Okay, let me bring that block back. And bam! Now we got a cat. Yippee! Now we just write arrow cat. Arrow keys, I mean. Sorry. My grammar's not that good. Anyways, arrow keys. Move the cat using arrow keys. Okay, guys. Then this video is going to be only for a tutorial. Okay, but if you guys want to share this, do whatever you like. But I'm not going to share it because this is only used for the YouTube video. So, yeah, I just named it on title because that's all I did. Anyways, if you guys wanted to, see my profile, it is right here. Okay, let me look for my thing. I need to delete this, bro. Yeah, delete. Good. So, guys, we're now we just reached at the end of this video. So, please like and subscribe if you liked the video. See you in the next one.